Hello Cooters, this is architect Nimish DM, the founder of CooterShell. Today I welcome you to the 5th episode of RENOVER. So RENOVER is a series where we renovate houses and make our dream home. So in this episode of RENOVER, we are going to make over an empty flat in Kalwa East. We have named this project Parallax as the design concept lies between two parallel lines. In this project, we have combined modern and contemporary style to make a interesting pattern all over the house. Parallax is a fine space with well-organized layout, narrating its own story of parallel lines. Entering upon the house, the home opens up into a parallel design concept, wherein the idea was to keep it simple with linear molding and neutral colors complementing each other. This apartment features sleek and stylish decor components with linear lines playing an important role. A simple geometric wall installation with concrete-like finish with abstract pop of color paintings on it, bringing out the cheerfulness and grace to the space. A set of parallel lines merging into a set of linear parallel shelves for artifacts and decors, creating a beautiful dining corner with a neutral TV unit curving on the top. Soft, minimal yet elegant standard kitchen with a dark grey cabinetry and an attractive peacock blue color highlighting tile was installed to give it a stylish look. A basic smoked glass cookery unit was placed above the service platform for easy access to the cookeries. An interesting passage wash basin was created by shifting a wall of common bathroom. The basin was backdropped with monochrome highlighted tiles and a capsule-shaped mirror. The contemporary charm in the bedroom was achieved with a washed pastel green, giving a eye-soothing comfort with outstanding linear wooden wardrobe handle and a dressing unit with shelf storage beside. The bed was headed with maroon and a grey color cushioning which complement the hand-drew wallpaper. The alluring combination of light grey and handmade wooden wardrobe handles balancing the 3D sheet, giving the space a sophisticated look without being out of style. The simple addition of wallpaper can be the one thing that turns your bedroom from average to extraordinary. Arch was designed giving it a mix of old and modern Roman look. Long hanging chandeliers were added to give it a grand feel. watching the video till here. Please like and comment down your favorite part of the design. This helps us to grow and encourage to make more and more content for you guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Cooter Shell. Also, follow us on Instagram as we are very active on Instagram. We keep on posting daily updates of our recent projects and also day-to-day routine for the site visits. Till then, see you to the next episode of RENOVER.